Well, topping the news this half hour on Most Buffalo, the Grieving Families Act. This is about expanding New York State's wrongful death statute. Lawmakers, lawyers, and families all say the 175-year-old law needs to be updated. They want the Grieving Families Act to allow someone to bring a wrongful death claim based on emotional suffering. Currently, the law says you must show the financial loss due to a loved one's death. But what if it's a child or a retiree? The financial loss is small, yet the survivor's loss is big. This morning, the governor wrote in an op-ed in the Daily News. She proposed an amendment to allow parents of children who died in accidents the opportunity to seek meaningful accountability while exempting medical malpractice claims for now. Today, I sat down with attorney Terence Connors.
New York State says that your relatives, if they're old or if they're very young, are worthless, and these families know that their relatives are priceless. So now they are terribly disappointed that this legislation has not been passed.
But when it comes to Governor Hochul, those here in the government, talking about this Grieving Families Act, how much they wanted to get it done, how much they want to pass it. Even Governor Hochul herself said, once it gets put on her desk, she'll sign it. Only now to come back and say, well, she think there needs some amendments.
And what cannot be lost in this conversation is money. It's insurance companies and doctors. Many have asked the governor to veto this law. Some claim it will lead to inflated and unnecessary damage awards. And lawmakers in state legislature, they're not happy. In a statement released late today, they wrote being extremely disappointed that the governor hasn't engaged in any serious discussion with the state. They call her proposal a half-baked compromise that would only delay long overdue reforms. Of course, I'm going to have much more on this coming up at 5:30, Kate.
All right, we will see you then, Claudine. Thank you.